guys, what's up? I'm sick. No surprise. Today we're gonna do something crazy. We're gonna do something so crazy, so unheard of. I'm pretty sure it's actually been done before, but just not by me. I am trying red box braids, and I'm not talking ombre red. I'm talking completely red. I got 7 packs. That's 4. What the heck? I got 7 packs of hair from Aliexpress because Aliexpress just has wow. Aliexpress just has the best type of braiding hair. Oh my god. I've always, for the longest time in my life, always wanted to go completely red with my hair. Wow, hang time was she. My hair is long and it's healthy and I refuse to dye it, so I live my life vicariously through synthetic braiding hair. I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna turn out because I've never had my whole head a certain color outside of like brown or red. No. What? Outside of brown or black. I'm actually really nervous. Actually, nervous isn't even... Am I nervous? I am absolutely terrified. I just want it to look good. I'm not sure if this color is gonna look good on my hair or if it's gonna look good on me. I hope it does. I'm excited for change, but then when I do it, I get really scared. But I'm not gonna chicken out. We're doing this. We're already doing it. I already bought it. Like, we have to do it. There's no turning back. It's too late. It's too late. I have to stop talking because I sound like an absolute golem. I was feeling fine. Just fine yesterday. Then I went to work and then everything went south very quickly. I'm not even sure what happened. I just started feeling, I don't know, disgusting. Who is texting me? It's my main squeeze. My new squeeze because I ditched my last squeeze. So to start off, I'm just going to section off my hair like I usually do. My hair isn't blow dried. It's blow dried and it's straightened because I had it straightened for work for the past few days. I blew it out and then I straightened it. But then I took a shower yesterday and then some of the ends started to frizz up a little bit, which isn't too bad. It's fine. Well, it's a non-factor. It's okay. It's fine. We're fine. We can do this. So I usually section off the crown part first, and then I section off the back, like the base of the back at the nape of my neck, and then I have like the middle section because I typically do the crown of my hair, well, the front last. I don't know. There's like a whole process. I finished parting my hair for the most part, and it looks like this. So I'm doing 3 rows at the nape of my neck, and then I have the sides of my front side parted and pushed away, and then I have a little bun of what I'm doing in the middle of my head. So now it's time for the color. It's so red. I'm so scared. This better look cute. I'm so scared. I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm really nervous now. What I'm doing now, actually this is what I do with all the hair, is I split the package in half. I put the half on one end, and then I take the half and then I split that in half, and then I leave it on the chair, and then I take this half, and then guess what? I split it in half and put that half on the chair, and then I work with the tiny portion that I have here. So then I split this half in half. That's like the portion that I pretty much use. And so then what I do is I just grab them by both ends. I'm not sure if this will be in frame. Pull the ends like apart a little bit, and then what this does is it tapers the ends so that way they're pointed rather than being blunt, because when they're blunt, like it causes the braid to unravel, and I hate that. And then it also causes the braid to be longer, which is nice too, so it adds length to the hair as well. So then I, again, just like my last video, I take 1/3 of the hair and then I loop it on top of itself to make one strand to braid, and then the other 2 strands are over here, and then they just dangle, and then that's the hair. So now we're gonna start with the braiding. I'm nervous. I'm so scared. This is the first braid. Oh my gosh, it's red. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a couple more and then check back in. And it's long, so it stops right about there, like at my hip. So I'm gonna add a couple more and then check back in with you guys. I hope this looks good. I really hope this looks good. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous.
A few minutes later.
As of right now, I've finished the back row down to here. This is currently what it's looking like. So I'm gonna start working on the middle section here. I really hope it's coming together.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, so it's just a little after 10 o'clock right now, and I just wanted to show you the progress that I made. So this is what it's looking like as of right now. And it's so bright in the light. I'm like terrified. My mom saw it, my sister saw it, and I'm scared. I'm scared. So that's where I'm currently at right now, and I've been braiding down to the ends and finishing the ends as I go, just because my dog has kind of been making a mess of things, and because he likes to sleep either under my chair or next to me, he tends to get caught in the hair sometimes. So I've just been braiding it down to the end so that way he doesn't get attached to like the little straggly pieces hanging down, because he's been trying to chew on them. I took some medicine. My eyes are turning red and they're starting to get like sensitive to like the lights and everything. So I think I'm actually coming down with a fever. Just gonna try to push through and see if I can get this done. This section at the top to finish, and then the front will obviously go a lot faster.
Many hours later.
Yo, I'm so tired. My eyes literally look as red as my hair. It's actually kind of crazy. Still sick as per usual, but I finished a majority of the back, and this is what it's looking like right now. I've got this much done all the way up here. I usually save the top part up here for last because I part it a different way than the rest of my hair. So right now I am taking down sides, and I'm gonna start at the front of my hair, and it should go by a lot faster because I can actually see. Just gonna basically take it from there and finally see how it pieces together in the front and whether or not this was a good idea. I'm gonna start with the front now and see how it goes and see how it comes together. Check in with you guys later.
Many hours later.
Alright, so it's 10 minutes to 8 a.m. I finished this side, majority of this side when it comes to the braids, and I got a lot done in the back. So that's currently what it's looking like right now. I feel like absolute Gollum. I feel like I want to die. I sound so disgusting. I'm sorry. I think after I finish this row here at the side, I might take a bit of a rest and lay down and nap.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, just an update on my current situation. It is quite possible that I have the flu. Love that for me. I actually went to bed at about 9 o'clock in the morning and I got about this far. It's about 6 o'clock in the afternoon now. I really had to take a couple hours to take a lot of medication and then sleep and rest and try to recuperate, just because like my entire body hurts. I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm planning on finishing the little top section that I have here and then the front that I have going on right over here in the next couple of hours. So I just want to finish with my hair and get it over with. I've already used 4 packs and I have 3 packs left over. So I'm moving on to pack number 5 now and just gonna try to bang this out and go from there. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully I can. I just really want to finish this so that way I can rest up and start to feel better. I'm not gonna time lapse any more of the recordings just because I noticed that sometimes I fall asleep in the middle of them because I get so ridiculously tired. I'm really sorry that I can't be 100% in performance for this video today. I really did try. I'm just going to finish up the rest of my hair. If I don't like it, I hope at least the internet likes it and just hypes my head up, because I feel ugly all the time, especially right now. I'm gonna start with pack number 5, and I'll check in with you guys later.
Many hours later.
It's about 2:15 in the morning now, and I just finished braiding the rest of my hair. Because it's late as of right now and I'm still feeling a little bit under the weather, I decided to do the cleanup tomorrow morning. So that's basically going along each braid and then cutting off the flyaway ends and then snipping off the long straggly bits at the bottom here. So this is what it's looking like as of right now. And it goes up to my waist, so it stops right about here. My whole head is completely red. Oh my goodness. I mean, my mom saw it and she likes it. My dad saw it and he likes it too. I mean, I think I did an okay job. I don't know. Yeah, so that's pretty much my hair. It's crazy. So crazy. This is what my hair looks like in bright lighting. I'm not even sure you can really see it on camera, but it's actually pretty bright. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention is that I only used 6 packs of hair, so I didn't even open the 7th pack. Oh gosh, I'm so sick. I'm sorry. This is my hair. It's red now. It's long. But yeah, that's my hair. Thank you guys for watching. So if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video when I'm feeling better and I don't sound like an absolute raging dumpster fire. Bye. Bye guys.
Could you choose another time to do that?
Only the second that I start recording that he decides he wants to play with his piggy toy. Love that for me. That was stupid. And I'm out of focus.